Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Carissa and I live in Victoria, BC, and I just woke up. I woke up a tiny little bit ago and I was editing the video from yesterday when we went to Value Village, and it's exporting right now. So I'll have that up soon before this is up. And yeah, I'm just kind of sleepy today. It's really rainy out. My voice sounds super gravelly. And I'll take you along today. I don't know what I'm gonna do, except I have to go to Canadian Tire. Yeah, that's the only thing I can think of, because I gotta get wood pellets for the bunnies. Today's Friday, August 14th, and that's all I know right now. So, but welcome back. Thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Time to go see the Bun Buns. Still raining. It's good for the plants, but it always makes me feel more tired than when it's sunny. My laundry is getting all wet. So I wanted to show you guys all this willow. It's actually dried, but I harvest it for my bunnies. They love willow, and once it's dried, which it is in there, I can move the clothesline. I got water on myself. Then it's good for a long time. So I try to, like, in the summer, harvest a lot of it to last through the fall, because they love it so much, and especially when they're in stasis, it helps to get them eating. Hi guys. Hi, good morning. You can't go out. No, sorry. Let's turn the light on. Hi. How are you guys doing? You hungry? Hi, pigs. Hello. Hi. Hi, guys. I have lettuce and stuff for you. Hey, Bun Buns. Do you guys want some lettuce? Definitely need to clean your litter boxes today. Hi, girls. Okay. Get you guys some pellets. It's kind of messy in here. Oh, you guys can't see me. Sorry. I'm learning. Give them a quarter cup of pellets in the morning and once in the evening. Yum, 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 yum. You guys eating too? Yeah. Don't be scared. Good girls. Hi, Esther. Esther's our nervous little pig because she's new. She's coming over. Hi. Hi. So Alice and Phoebe, the two that have white on them, they are 4 years old. And I guess Esther must be like 8 months old almost, or 7 months old now. And then Misha and Cosmo, they're either turning 4 in September or 5. Look at this mess. See, I gotta clean their litter boxes today. And there's some more, like the willow that I harvested right there. And also, I have like this whole bag of it as well. And that's the hay. So yeah, we're good for a little while. I have a webcam to keep an eye on them. Hey, no fighting. Rain. My marigolds are so tall. There's some zinnias in there as well. This is a zinnia. Planted them for my mom. She loves zinnias. And I took a bouquet of them and put them where we scattered her ashes. See what I mean? This is all like gone to seed, except these like massive Cosmo flowers haven't bloomed yet. Some of them have in the front. Everything's so wet. I shouldn't complain though. I don't have to water the garden. There. And see how little my squash is? I got one there. It's a spaghetti squash. And one there. There's a Cosmo plant, flower, whatever. But yeah, I have so much gardening I need to do. So much. Look at all these green peppers. Heck. I've been feeding them to the guinea pigs because they love them. Oh yeah, and then over here there's also more zinnias and more marigolds. And I don't know if you can see, but these tiny little ones right here, they're called scented night stock, and they are so good. They smell so incredibly wonderful at night. So I got a lot more seeds of them, and I'm going to plant them. Oh, and then we've got this fig tree as well right here. And it has a bunch of little figs coming on it. Hey. Sorry, I'm eating a candy. So I just went and got some things. I'll show you what I got. On this rainy day. Okay. So I thought I'd try these. Sweet cinnamon churro. These look really good. Then I had to get some of these. Shave my legs. I got this keto bar. I think I've had it before and I really like it. And I got NAC. My ear, nose, throat doctor told me to take this. It's supposed to help with like dry sinuses. And the last thing I just picked up was these laundry sheets for when we go on our trip. Because they're really easy to take with us, and I like fragrance free because I have allergies to like synthetic scents. And we're gonna go to Curacao in the Caribbean, and they have a laundry room, but I think you can't get this there. And this was so expensive. This all came to $86.77, mainly because of the NAC. Oh, and then I also got this Innis essential oil. It's one of my favorites. And yeah, so that's was my little haul. And now I'm gonna head off to Canadian Tire to get wood pellets to change the rabbits' litter boxes. It's just kind of a depressing day, to be honest. Like I don't know what it is with me in gray days. I tend to just have low energy and I don't feel as positive as when it's sunny. But I'm gonna probably try to do something for exercise later. I don't know if I'm gonna go for a walk or what I'm gonna do. I came home instead. I need to go for a walk. If I don't go for a walk or get some exercise, it's just all the driving around in the car is like just so bleh. I'm grateful, definitely grateful for my car and everything, but sometimes I just want to walk and not have to deal with like just sitting there dealing with traffic. So I'm gonna get the bunnies wood pellets later, clean their litter boxes later, because it's not like an emergency or anything, and I'm gonna go for a walk, and hopefully that will make me feel happier. Do you like my geraniums? I think they're really pretty. So I'm off for a walk. We'll see what we can, maybe we can find some other pretty flowers and things. Ooh, I should show you my neighbor's pumpkins. They're awesome. So I'm off for a walk. We'll see what we can with me, we can find some other pretty flowers and things. Ooh, I should show you my neighbor's pumpkins. They're awesome. There's a huge one over here. Look at this big guy. Whoa, this guy's huge. I think I'm gonna go through the park maybe, and yeah, it's not raining that much now. There's a tennis court down at the park here, and I used to roller skate at it all the time. I definitely want to start roller skating again. I think the last time I went was probably, oh, cute puppy. Who's he barking at? These are nice. These are really pretty. I don't know what they are. Gosh, they're pretty. Look at these. Don't these look like pumpkins? They look like lanterns. Huh? Those are cool. Oh, such a happy puppy. So cute. I love this tree. It's such a beautiful tree. The leaves, the phone doesn't really do it justice. Beautiful tree though. A lot of the poles around here are painted. Look at this, it's so cute. Eee! That's very cute. So I have to tell you guys a funny story. See these two houses here? Okay, so years ago when we first moved into our house, I had this potted plant on my porch, and one day it just disappeared, like somebody stole it. But it was a blue pot with a lighthouse on it and a tiny little like cedar tree or in it. It's just like a tiny pine tree or something. Anyways, so I was upset, and and then I was out going for a walk, and I noticed that it was on the front of, I can't remember which of those houses, but they had it on the front of their porch. So I don't know if somebody like stole it and left it in the road, and then somebody thought it was free, or whether they stole it. I have no idea, but I went up and I was like knocking on the door, and I was all in a rage, and somebody came to the door. I think it was a teenager, it was somebody young, and then they wouldn't answer the door, and I was like, that's my pot, that's my plant. And so I picked it up and I took it home and put it in my backyard so they couldn't steal it from me again. But yeah, I think like now I wouldn't be as enraged. I actually think it's pretty funny. And there was a lot of there was this house that used to be on our street, and it had a lot of transient people coming and going, and they would come into your yard and take stuff. So I don't know if maybe they were the ones that took it and put it somewhere or what, but yeah, that was pretty funny. Look how this pole is decorated. This one's super sweet. Hummingbirds. Isn't that lovely? This is just behind the mall. It's really starting to come down now. I like how there's all these alleys still. Look at that, eh? Look at that beautiful willow tree. Can you hear the rain on my umbrella? Look at this plant. Hang on, see if I can get in closer. Come on. Why is this not working? There. Look at that. I think I remember seeing those in San Francisco. And then they have these beautiful, I think these are, yeah, they're geraniums. That is so pretty. Ooh, and I like these little ones. So nice. Look at the beautiful hanging baskets. Wow. beautiful, and they have a gorgeous dogwood. Oh, look at the hummingbird. You see him? Where did he go? They have a hummingbird feeder. This is weird. I've never been here before. No loitering. Okay. But what is this? Is this part of Boker Creek? This is... Oh, wow. Wow, the water's going so fast. Okay. Uh-oh. Did someone... Okay. Keep going. Never knew that was there. I don't know if that's just a storm drain or if it's connected to Bowker Creek or what. It seems like it's connected. Yeah, it must be. Hi, little squirrel. Oh, his tail is kind of raggedy. Hi, buddy. We've never been down this street before. It's like got all these little university garden homes. I don't know if it's like a co-op. Let me see. Maybe a co-op or something? There's a lot of them. Okay, I think this is the start of the park. And I think this is where that creek was. Oh yeah, it is Bowker Creek. Bowker Creek Greenway. Look, what's that? There's the creek. Is this a wildflower meadow? It is. Woolly sunflower. And over here, you can volunteer with them. That's cool. These are all ferns and looks like Oregon grape. Nice. I'm eating something right now, if you hear me. I'm eating that keto bar I got earlier. It's really good. Okay. There's some houses here too. Oh, you can really hear the water. Oh, that's really pretty. Wow, I can't believe how fast it's going. Very pretty. And here's one of the book nooks. Wordsworth Book Exchange.
That's very pretty. Let's just go a little bit closer and see. Looks like somebody's been partying down here. There's a nice little spot in the city. Yeah, that's moving pretty fast. Cool. I haven't been here for so long. There's a bridge here. I think I'm gonna go across the bridge. Look at this. Here's a map of Saanich. I live... Where am I? Around there. Somewhere. Okay, let's go across this bridge. Oh, there's some other people coming. Feels like a jungle. Very, very pretty. Ooh, blackberries. I'm not going to take any because they don't look. I think someone would have gone here and took them all. The ones that were there looked like they weren't right. Oh yeah, so here's the park. You know what? I think in that courtyard I also roller skated.
just takes us up to the road. Do you guys ever watch videos and they're like, oh, I'm gonna go back, or I have to go do that or something, and I think to myself, oh, I can't go back, as if I'm actually there? That's why I spared you it. I cut that part out. I'm so weird. Look, you can see Mount Tolmie. I'll zoom in so you can see. It's all like foggy, misty. There's been a lot of construction on Shelburne for months and months and months. So, yeah, this is oh, I didn't know we had this here. Island Métis Child Care Center. Here's the dollar store we're gonna go into. I guess these are all like the party talk favorite things for kids. I got balloons. Let's see. Oh, is this? Oh, I thought this was craft stuff, but it's not craft stuff. They have solar string lights. Do I need them? Probably not. Let's just take a look and see. And fake Crocs. I have a pair of fake Crocs at home. Okay, 100 LED lights. $12. I don't know. This guy's $12 too. Oh, there's garden stone. Let's see. Ooh, I do need more clothespins. Maybe look at these. 24. Sorry, 24 for $3. I wonder if I should get a dustpan for inside. Like a small one. I want to go look at the craft stuff. That's a very small dishcloth. I actually prefer smaller dishcloths. Okay. got some stuff for crafting. I'll show you guys when I get back what I got. I am so out of shape. I did not think I was this out of shape. I used to walk all the time, and yeah, I definitely need to start walking more. This is like my hips. I can tell like my hips are so sore because I'm sitting so much. I'm gonna go back a different way. There's a house coming up here. I'll show you guys. It's really nice. I like it. I hope I'm able to show you it. There's a lot of foliage in the way, so hopefully I'll try. It's right here. Isn't it nice? So cute. I like its door. I don't know if you can see the door. I like the front door. It's so nice. This little tiny grocery store has been here forever. Oh, they got geraniums in the front too. Whoa, they're working on this school too. There's so much construction lately. Well, I guess that's good. The kids. Look, guys, where you look is where you go. That's why I look towards Jesus. Wow, it's really raining now. I had to bring the umbrella out again. My feet are wet. Good thing about these shoes is they are washable. Woohoo! Look at this banana tree. It's so huge. I just had the sweetest golden retriever come up to me. I don't know if you can see him now. Here, I'll try to, well, you can see him in the distance there. He came up right away to say hello. I like the colors that they're using on this house. I love the bay windows too. Looks like they're updating it quite a bit. Cool, I'm glad. So I decided I'm gonna cut through them all just because I feel like I'm ready to be home faster. It's a madhouse in here. Literally everyone is here. All of Victoria is here. Okay, actually it was just Walmart. No, it is busy. Very, very busy here. But I just have no patience for the mall today. I want to go home. But I do like this dress. This face. What is this? New Superman cake batter cookie dough. I wanna go home, take off my uniform and leave the show. 'Cause it's just way too busy everywhere I go. Yeah. Let's just take a nice break and look at this beautiful rose. Wow, gorgeous. These look like echinacea. I wonder if these are echinacea. They're beautiful. Oh, look at their back. Oh, that's so beautiful. I'm almost home and I'm tired. But it was a good walk. I'm glad I did it. I'm finally home. Yay! And I got a delivery. Home. So nice. Hey, so I got these and these because I want to make some keychains. Same with these beads. Got myself those bamboo clothespins that I showed you guys. And also I did end up getting the dustpan because I need one for in here. I got some Mod Podge and this wooden board because I've dried some flowers and pressed them. And what I want to do is I want to put them on here and then cover them with Mod Podge, similar to what I did over here. So similar to this. And this is what was in the box. These are some Teva sandals that I got because the ones that I have right now have split, like they're starting to separate. So I just got these black ones. Nothing too excited. Hey, these look a little different actually. I'll show you my other ones. Actually, they might be exactly the same. But yeah, these are my old ones. I really, really like this color pattern and it's actually faded a lot. I've washed them and everything. Actually, I just realized this is kind of gross. I'm putting this on the table. I'll wash my table after. But I'll show you what's happening. They're splitting right here. And I wanted to buy them, but they don't have this pattern anymore for the price that I wanted in these. So I got these ones. But I'm wondering, I don't know, maybe I can glue them back together. I just don't think they would last for very long. Hey guys, so I guess that's it for the vlog for today. Hope it wasn't too boring. Thank you for coming along. If you made it through the whole thing, thank you. And yeah, I hope it wasn't too boring. I have a lot more other things that I'm going to show you, like out and about in Victoria. Probably take you up to Gabriola at some point as well. So please stay tuned. And oh, and the phone said I walked like 10,291 steps. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye.